A horrific helicopter crash in the Hudson River has taken the lives of all 6 individuals on board, including a family of 5 from Spain. Witnesses report seeing the aircraft, a Bell 206, literally falling apart in midair before it plunged into the water, with parts splashing down like a scene from a disaster movie. Emergency responders arrived quickly, but tragically, there were no survivors. This incident adds to a troubling history of helicopter accidents in New York, raising ongoing concerns about air travel safety in the city. The FAA and NTSB will be investigating the cause of this tragedy, hoping to find answers for the grieving families and the public.